Why are so many US homeowners quietly adding these gadgets to their homes? In 2026, get ready to experience the ultimate power of accuracy and innovation as we reveal these groundbreaking tools to the world. I bet these gadgets will take your shooting game to the next level. Don't wait, click the link below to check them out and upgrade your setup today. Don't forget to smash that red button and press the bell. Sub-lethal remote gun. The sub-lethal remote gun is a non-lethal security system designed to stop intruders without putting anyone on site in danger. It's mounted in a fixed position and connected to a camera, allowing an operator to respond remotely the moment a threat is detected. The system uses a high-powered air launcher that fires standard .68 caliber non-lethal rounds, or pepper balls, delivering intense pain and disorientation without being life-threatening. The magazine can hold up to 155 rounds, though in most real-world situations, only a handful of shots would ever be needed. What really sets this system apart is response time. From the moment a remote alarm is triggered, a control center can typically arm and deploy the system. Haven Connect Lock. This lock is designed and tested by US Special Operations veterans, and it operates far beyond the capabilities of an ordinary door lock. This app-controlled security system installs in minutes at the base of your door and delivers up to 10 times the strength of a standard deadbolt. Instead of relying on traditional locking mechanisms, Haven uses a reinforced locking wedge that braces against the floor. When force is applied from outside, the system actually uses the momentum of the intruder's own attack to push back harder, keeping the door firmly sealed. Engaging the lock is simple. You can activate it by stepping on the pressure-sensitive pedal or remotely through the companion app. The app also lets you send digital keys to visitors, track who's entering or leaving, and receive instant forced entry alerts. Boss Security Screens. Boss Security Screens offer a clever solution that blends safety with style. At first glance, they look like ordinary insect screens, but don't be fooled. Behind their subtle appearance lies a robust, unbreakable defense, proven effective in tens of thousands of installations without a single reported break-in. One of the standout features of these screens is their extraordinary durability. Engineered to withstand extreme conditions, they can resist the force of a Category 4 hurricane, with winds up to 150 miles per hour. This strength comes from a combination of aircraft-grade aluminum frames and military-grade stainless steel mesh, creating a nearly impenetrable barrier between your home and potential threats. SeceuroGlide XL Door. You've secured your home, but what about your garage? It's often one of the easiest entry points for intruders and can house valuable items or even serve as a path into your main house. That's where the SeceuroGlide XL aluminum roller doors come in. These electrically operated doors feature a unique patented system that automatically locks and secures every time you close them. Built with steel end plates and a reinforced curtain webbing assembly, they add an extra layer of protection. ViewProtect Easy Bars. At first glance, this thin, clear film might not look like much. You might assume it won't stand up to serious threats, but don't be fooled. These transparent burglar bars are surprisingly strong. Made from Lexan polycarbonate, the same material used in police riot shields and airplane windows, they're engineered to withstand serious impact. In tests, they've survived hammers, machetes, and even pickaxes without breaking. Adding a few sheets to your windows creates a powerful layer of protection without the need for bulky bars or grills. Ornamental Security Screen Door. These guys really know their stuff. They've studied how burglars operate and designed a door to stop them in their tracks. For instance, they know the lock is usually the first target, so they added a 1/4-inch steel pry guard running the full length of the lock side, making it extremely difficult to break in. That's not all. The door features special polycarbonate glass that's 20 times tougher than regular glass. It's flexible enough to absorb impacts without breaking, adding yet another layer of protection. Every ornamental security door is custom-built to fit your home perfectly, eliminating weak spots and ensuring maximum safety. Barricade Box. The Barricade Box is a simple, fast, and reliable solution for exactly that, giving you peace of mind and rapid protection in an emergency. This device works on almost any door, whether it swings inward or outward, and it's fully compliant with FBI and Department of Homeland Security recommendations. Setup takes less than 7 minutes, and once installed, it's ready for immediate use at a moment's notice. In an emergency, deploying it takes under 7 seconds. Remove the cover, pull the Kevlar cord, wrap it around the door handle, and lock it in place. When someone tries to force the door open, the cord tightens automatically, making the door nearly impossible to breach. Magic Garage Door. Protecting your garage doesn't always mean piling on heavy-duty locks and armor. The truth is, no matter how reinforced a door is, a determined intruder can still break through or cause serious damage. That's where the Magic Garage Door takes a smarter approach. Make the door disappear from view. If a burglar can't see the garage door, it essentially doesn't exist in their mind. A seamless facade or cleverly disguised wall makes it far less likely that anyone will even guess a door is there. Even if the disguise isn't perfect, homeowners can pair it with a security system. Barracuda Intruder Defense System. The Barracuda Intruder Defense System comes in multiple models to protect both inward and outward swinging doors, and it's fully adjustable to fit different door widths. The lightweight DSI model is built for rapid deployment, allowing a door to be secured in just seconds during an emergency or lockdown. To use it, simply place the device on the floor, slide the metal plates under the door, and push outward on the handles. This action forces the plates against the exterior door jamb, locking the door firmly in place. Lumar Security Window Film. Lumar Security Window Film can make them much harder to break. This super strong polymer film protects against attacks with bats, crowbars, and other blunt force, giving anyone inside valuable extra minutes to escape or respond. Those extra seconds can make all the difference, whether it's exiting safely, turning on security lights, or calling authorities. The film adheres with a special clear adhesive, so your windows look completely normal while offering serious protection. On top of security, all Lumar films include UV protection, blocking nearly all harmful UV rays. This not only helps protect your skin, but also prolongs the life of your furniture and interior valuables. Fence Spikes Stega Strip. The Stega Strip fence spikes are designed to do exactly that. Made with weather-resistant materials, these aggressive-looking spikes are highly effective at discouraging unwanted intruders. The anti-limb spike system uses a clever design that makes harmless plastic spikes appear like rusted iron, giving a tough, intimidating look without posing serious harm. That aggressive appearance alone is often enough to make potential intruders think twice. Installation is simple. Anyone with basic DIY skills and a few tools can set them up. The spikes come in 2 options: the Stega Strip Barrier Strip or the Stega Strip Rotor Barrier. Both measure 50 centimeters long and are built to withstand rain and UV exposure. Paintball mine. Next up is a security gadget that looks like it came straight from the battlefield. It's not an actual mine, but when it's triggered, it releases a powerful burst of carbon dioxide, producing a loud, explosive sound that instantly startles anyone nearby. That sudden shock alone is often enough to send a would-be intruder running. What makes this device even more effective is its flexibility. You can upgrade it with pepper balls, turning it into a serious deterrent. One blast of pepper to the face is extremely uncomfortable and more than enough to convince an intruder to never come back. If you prefer a hands-off approach, you can connect it to an infrared sensor or a tripwire, letting the intruder trigger it themselves. Fantom Defender. This clever device replaces traditional chain locks with something far more secure. It allows you to open your door just enough to see and speak with someone, without giving them any chance to push their way inside. Switching modes is simple. Just nudge the magnetic housing with your foot to toggle between doorstop mode and full security mode. Once engaged, the Fantom Defender locks into a 4-pin system that physically blocks the door from opening beyond a safe conversation gap. You stay in control, even if someone applies force from the outside. And this thing is seriously tough. It can withstand up to 227 kilograms of pressure and has even been tested against sledgehammer attack. Silatec Armored Glass. This isn't your average window. It can handle repeated strikes with a hammer, axe, or even a sledgehammer for up to 10 minutes, about 10 times longer than standard bulletproof glass. Think a pry bar will do the job? Think again. Silatec glass stays strong even when 2 people try to force their way in. And if a criminal goes full force with a firearm, No problem. This glass can withstand high-powered bullets, including rounds from an AK-47, while still keeping your home secure. The only thing that passes through is filtered sunlight, thanks to its built-in UV blocking properties, which protect your interiors and valuables. Thanks for sticking around. If you found these gadgets as mind-blowing as I did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest in home security and smart defense tech. Got a favorite gadget from today's list or something you want me to review next? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing your suggestions.